Hello students, so the purpose of this video is to get you acquainted with working with binary operations on polynomials. The first operation we're going to look at is addition. So we can add together any polynomials that have like terms. We're not going to alter the like variables. Instead, we're only going to either add the coefficients or the constants where applicable. So my method that I like to do is I like to look at my entire polynomial because sometimes these get a little long, and I like to put underlines underneath the similar terms. So x to the 6th, I don't have any other 6th degrees, but I'll put 2 underlines under 3x to the 4th and also positive 9x to the 4th because those go together. And then I'm going to put 3 under the x squared terms. I'm going to circle my constant terms and then put a square around my cubed term. And this way visually I can easily see what things need to be combined, and I can go ahead and combine them. As I use them, I like to cross it out because it helps me keep track of, which operations that I've already done. So I have 12x to the 4th. I'm going to cross out this value and this value. I have my minus 3x cubed. So I'm going to cross out that value. I have my minus x squared. So I'm going to cross out that value. And I have my minus 2. And so now I have added 2 polynomials together. Subtraction of polynomials works exactly the same way. The only thing that you have to remember is that you need to distribute that negative sign to every single term within the polynomial. So I generally encourage people to rewrite the polynomial. It's easier to do that than to try to do this in your head. If you try to do it in your head, it's very common for people to make careless mistakes, so I don't encourage that. So I'm going ahead and changing all of my different signs, and then I'm going to underline terms that are like, so 5x to the 6th, 2 underlines under my 4th degree, 3 underlines under my squared. I'm going to circle my constant terms and square my 3rd degree. And so that gives me 5x to the 6th. And then I have minus 5x to the 4th. And then I have plus 7x to the 3rd. I have minus 5x squared. And I have a positive 4. All right, and that's all you have to do when you subtract polynomials. Now, multiplication of polynomials can occur in several different ways. For the purpose of this video, I'm only going to show you the distributing method. So when you have a number on the outside, which is a monomial, or if you even have a number in the variables, the key is to remember to distribute to everything on the inside of the polynomial. And so this in the top would get you 24x squared plus 16x plus 12. And for the bottom solution, 2 times 3 is 6, and x times x squared is x cubed. 2 times 2 is 4, x times x is x squared, and 2x times 1 is just your plus 2x. And that's all it takes to multiply a monomial into a polynomial. I hope you found this video helpful, and as always, if you need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Have a great day.